will share to you how to open the battery compartment door of your GoPro Hero 9. So in this side right here, this slot, you have to push it slightly or hardly, okay, push it, then slightly open that. So you see, this is the battery now. So pull up the battery, then that's it. So you have to return it once again, right here, this way. Okay, oops, then return the cover, push it, push, then this one. Okay, that's all. Good luck. Go.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.